Two steep brown eyes, a dimpled smile, and a big round mark sitting on my upper lip. Lunar. Staring into the mirror, confused by its existence, its place on my face, I lose control of who I see in the reflection across from me. Memories of my classmates' taunts screaming, "She looks like a witch," seclude me into a quiet, dark space of insecurity and fear. Just me and my mole, mi lunar. Amidst the darkness, I begin to hear the fierce trumpets accompanied by a warm strum of the guitar, playing the tune of mariachi's Cielito Lindo. With every powerful note the mariachis sing, the small Colombian town holding the name of Popayan comes to life with cobbled streets and wrought iron balconies. While walking down the cobbled streets, I hear the same tune of the trumpets, yet this time it's clouded by pure laughter. The sound of joy, playfulness, and love guide me towards a place I've never been, yet know so well. My family's home, which my dad would call La Finca de Mamama, after his grandmother who he loved deeply. The muddy fields of the farm hold a bright pink playhouse that seems out of place, where 26 grandchildren would play pretend. Yet no one was outside, or at least I thought so. The mariachi's trumpets fade as a curious child leaps towards the farm's porch, where Mamama calmly sits on her rocking chair. She observes the home she's built, always ready to offer a piece of advice, a joke, or heartfelt encouragement. As the child leaps onto Mamama's lap, his melancholy stare brings her to ask, "What's wrong, mijo?" He sadly acknowledges he doesn't want to say goodbye. I further notice the child's distinct stare, recognizing it's my dad, Juanpa. Mamama sighs, feeling the sadness overcome the fleeting moment she has with her grandchild. However, she points inside the farmhouse, and the sound of laughter, accompanied by the powerful trumpets, resurface. Behind the antique entrance, Tia Ceci endlessly stares into Tío Pedro's eyes while dancing in each other's arms. Pau, Dania, and Laura chuckle at each other's attempts to do a cartwheel, and all the uncles play rummy cube in the corner. "See that, Juanpa?" she says to the child. "That's your family. Anytime you're sad, remember this moment, our farm, the melody of this song, and know this is your home." As she speaks her words of wisdom, my father stares at Mamama's powerful and unique beauty mark, sitting on her upper lip. The same one his daughter would have. Overcome by a sense of peace, he skips into the living room, ready to play with his cousins. Suddenly, Cielito Lindo melody comes to an end. The mariachis sing their last note, and I'm no longer in the dark space. Mamama's portrait in the living room calls to me, rocking on a chair at a farm so special, carrying my family's anecdotes of growth, failure, and happiness. A feeling of safety grows upon me. I once again walk over to the mirror, feeling the colorful presence of my family, and notice the special mark above my lip. It now reminds me I'm not alone, and I always have a place to go when I do.